All right, today we're going to go ahead and do a quick waterproofing test of the Galaxy S7 versus my LG washer. Let's go do this, baby. Oh, yes. All right, guys, the phone is in perfectly working condition, I think. We're gonna go ahead and my fingerprint didn't work for some reason. I think it's still a little wet. We're gonna go ahead and test out the speakers, the microphone, and that should be pretty much it. But you can see it lived up to 50 minutes of water time. So that was 50 minutes washing time in my LG washer. It's the fingerprint. I think it just, oh, there we go, it worked now. All right, let me go ahead and connect the Wi-Fi. I had the Wi-Fi turned off just because I didn't want it.